Jeff, long lost cousin from the Amazon rainforest. I fly down through the jungle to see him. He not there. They tell me he gone to get haircut. So now I wait until he come back to see me. Until next time, I see you soon. And I'm really hot. I need some water. I need to go home. Onto my phone. So leave me alone. I have to go. Thank you. And peace.